Today we're diving into some of the coolest car gadgets you can grab from Amazon. Whether you're looking to enhance your driving experience, add some fun features to your ride, or just make life on the road a little bit easier, we've got you covered. And don't worry, all the links to these gadgets are in the description below, so you can grab them with just a click. Upgrade your car with hands-free voice control using this compact smart device. It brings Alexa to your vehicle, allowing you to stream music, control smart home devices, and manage tasks using just your voice. Compatible with Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, and SiriusXM, it's a great alternative to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The device connects via your car's USB-A port with a 12-volt adapter included for added convenience. It requires a smartphone connection to function, but once set up, it enhances your driving experience with seamless voice commands. Perfect for staying connected on the road while keeping your hands on the wheel. Take the guesswork out of car maintenance with this smart Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port, connect it to the smartphone app, and instantly read diagnostic trouble codes with clear explanations. The app even estimates repair costs and suggests potential fixes, helping you make informed decisions before heading to a mechanic. Compatible with gas-powered cars from 1996 and diesel models from 2006, it works with both Android and iOS devices. While basic diagnostics are free, a premium subscription unlocks advanced features. A must-have tool for drivers who want to stay ahead of car issues and avoid unnecessary repair costs. Breathe cleaner air on the road with this compact and efficient car air purifier. Designed with a HEPA filter, it captures dust, pollen, and harmful pollutants from traffic emissions, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers and city drivers. With the ability to clean up to 16 cubic meters of air per hour, it refreshes the air in an average car or SUV in just 10 minutes. Two speed settings let you choose between powerful purification or quiet operation, and it conveniently powers on through your car's 12-volt port, automatically activating when you start the engine. A simple yet effective way to improve your in-car air quality. Keep your devices powered up on the go with this high-speed USB-C car charger. Delivering a total of 75 watts, it efficiently charges your smartphone, tablet, or even a laptop while you drive. The built-in retractable USB-C cable provides up to 45 watts, while the additional USB-C port delivers 30 watts, enough to charge an iPhone 15 Pro to 50% in just 25 minutes. It's a must-have for commuters, ensuring you arrive at your destination with a fully charged device. Compact, affordable, and fast, this charger is a reliable companion for busy mornings and long road trips. This wireless CarPlay adapter brings modern convenience to older cars by eliminating the need for a wired connection. Designed as a plug-and-play solution, it seamlessly connects to your phone via Bluetooth, automatically linking every time you start your car. Powered through USB, it requires no separate charging, making it hassle-free. Compatible with 98% of vehicles featuring wired CarPlay from 2015 onward, it ensures a smooth, lag-free experience for hands-free calls, navigation, and music streaming. If you want to upgrade your driving experience without changing your car system, this is a great option. This Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen is an easy upgrade for older cars that lack built-in infotainment features. With a 7.0-inch touch panel, it provides a modern interface for navigation, calls, and media control. Wireless connectivity ensures seamless integration with your smartphone, while the included mounting kit and adhesive patch allow for quick installation. A wired backup camera adds extra functionality for safer reversing. Although it has a built-in speaker, most users will prefer connecting it to their car's audio system via AUX for better sound quality. If you want a budget-friendly way to add smart features to your car, this is a solid choice. This head-up display offers a safer way to monitor speed and engine data while keeping your eyes on the road. It projects key information like speed, RPM, and warning lights directly onto the windshield, using either GPS or an OBD connection. The automatic brightness adjustment ensures clear visibility in all lighting conditions, while the option to switch between miles per hour and kilometers per hour makes it convenient for international driving. Additionally, it provides a water temperature readout in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. With an affordable price and easy installation, this is a great upgrade for drivers who want a futuristic, distraction-free driving experience. This MagSafe compatible car charger combines secure mounting with fast wireless charging, making it a convenient choice for iPhone users. Delivering up to 15 watts of power, it keeps your device charged while ensuring effortless rotation between portrait and landscape modes. The compact design minimizes dashboard clutter, and the included USB-C cable and adapter provide flexible connectivity options. Additionally, a MagSafe case or a bare phone is required for optimal performance. For those seeking a seamless charging and mounting experience, this charger charger is a solid pick. The Lamicall car headrest tablet holder is a great solution for keeping kids entertained during long car rides. It easily attaches to the back of a seat using the headrest's insert rods and is adjustable to fit a wide variety of car makes and models. The holder allows for 360-degree rotation, making it perfect for viewing in any position. It can hold a range of devices including iPads, smartphones, and even the Nintendo Switch. Built-in rubber pads ensure your device stays secure and doesn't slip. Next up, the GlowShift 30 PS iTurbo Boost Gauge Kit is a great option for car enthusiasts looking to monitor their turbocharger or supercharger performance. While traditionally favored by tuner cars, this boost gauge adds a cool factor to any vehicle and can be a useful tool for detecting potential issues early. The kit comes with everything needed for installation, though it may require a more complex setup depending on your car make and model. Whether you're looking to monitor performance or add some flair to your car, this boost gauge is sure to make an impact. The Bouncy GPS tracker offers a solid solution for anyone looking to keep tabs on their car's location. With features like geofencing, impact detection, and the ability to monitor speed, it's an excellent choice for anyone lending their car to others or keeping an eye on younger drivers. The app provides real-time updates using Google Maps and stores routes for later review. Plus, it can notify you of potential issues with the car's systems. Though there's a monthly subscription fee for tracking services, the Bouncy GPS tracker offers peace of mind with its easy-to-use interface available on Android, iOS, and desktop. And lastly, the Anker SoundSync Bluetooth receiver is a great solution for classic car owners who want to add modern Bluetooth functionality to their vehicles. It connects easily to your car's 3.5mm aux port, allowing you to stream music and make hands-free calls without needing a 12-volt or USB port. With Bluetooth 5.0, it offers a reliable connection up to 30 feet away, and its 12-hour battery life ensures long-lasting performance on the road. When the battery does run low, it charges quickly, taking just about 2 hours to reach full power. A convenient, compact upgrade for any classic car. That's it for today's roundup of amazing car gadgets. Remember, all the links are in the description if you want to grab any of these gadgets for your own car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.